Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a quiz in Microsoft Form. First you need to open your browser and type Microsoft Forms and then click on Microsoft Forms. After that you need to click on Get Started. Then type your email ID. Click on Next after typing. Then enter your password and click on Sign In. After signing in, you can see there are two options, New Form and New Quiz. Click on New Quiz. Then click on Untitled Quiz so that you can name your quiz. As you can see, I'm naming it as Creative Thinking Worksheet. Then you have to enter a description. Then click on Add New. You can see there's a downward arrow, and clicking on section you can see you can get various sections, and first you have to name that section. I'm just naming the first section as student credentials, and I'm giving a description of the section as basic info. Then I have to click on Add New, and I can simply type the name and make it a required thing. Then click again on plus sign, and you can ask students to type their class, then the roll number, and after you are done with this section you can click again on the section icon and go for next section. First you have to name that section, as I'm naming it as questions on creative thinking. Then give a description of that section. After that click on Add New, and if you want to go for multiple choice you have to click on dot. After doing that you have to simply type the question. And the various options are also to be typed. Then you can choose the correct answer and the message that you want to give to students who are responding correctly. Then you can also give points or marks for that question. And if you want to make this question a necessary one, you can click on required. Then clicking on plus sign, I'm just adding one more question. This is a descriptive type of a question. Clicking on I icon, I'll be able to preview the form. As you can see, first I'm required to fill the student credentials. Once I do that, I can click on next, and only then I'll be able to move to section 2, and then I'll be able to submit the form. There are various options at the top. You can see there's an option of colors. There's a color palette from where you can change the color of your form. You can see there's an option, three dots. If you click on that, there's an option of settings, and there you can see there's an option show results automatically. There's an option of start date, end date, shuffle questions. There's also an option of customized thank you message. Once students fill the form, they'll get this message that your form is submitted. Now when I click on send, there's an option of sharing this form, and I can simply copy the link of this form and share that link via email, WhatsApp, or any other platform that I would like to.